Number 1. Pawn. Pawns can move in only one direction. It can move 2 squares in first move. At the last squares, pawns can transform into either rook, or knight, or bishop, or queen. Here, at the last squares, the pawn can be transformed. For example, a queen. Similarly, other transformations of pawn. Rook. Knight. Bishop. Also, these can kill other pawns diagonally, as well as rook, knight, bishop, or queen. Except king, which will bring into check. Or this form. And similarly can be done for pawn as well as knight, bishop, or queen. Now, using en passant capture for pawn. Number 2. Rook. The shape of the castle tower, which moves only in straight direction. Also, this can be done for castling as well. Let's do some castling with king and rook. Or this form. And similarly can kill that with rook. Number 3. Bishop. This type of piece moves in only diagonal direction, especially for all white squares and or black squares. Firstly, on white squares. And secondly, the black squares. For example, bishop on white square kills black pawn. Number 4. Knight. Also called a horse, which moves in L-shaped direction, making an odd move. Let's take an example for knight kills bishop. Number 5. Queen. The powerful chess piece is more important, that moves both straight and diagonal direction. In straight direction. In diagonal direction. For example, queen kills rook. And last but not least, number 6. King. Another most important piece, similar to queen, kings can move one square at a time. In case of check, the king must retract check by making a valid move or can kill the guy. In case of stalemate, the king lies at only one square except into check. Castling between king and rook as discussed earlier. And finally, checkmate. These are legal moves in chess. Remember, each player must start with pawn or knight. I have discussed everything now. Subscribe now on YouTube.